आज 26वें दिन मैं आप लोगों को कुछ ख़ास ख़बर बताना चाहूँगा। अभी रात के लगभग 12:30 बज रहे हैं। अभी थोड़ी देर पहले केंद्रीय मंत्री जेपी नड्डा साहब और जितेंद्र सिंह साहब यहाँ आए थे और लद्दाख के एपेक्स बॉडी के शीर्ष नेतागण भी यहाँ आए थे। और उससे पहले आप लोगों को मालूम है विभिन्न राजनीतिक दलों के लगभग 65 सांसदों ने आकर और हस्ताक्षर देकर हमसे अनशन तोड़ने के लिए कहा और वो संसद में इस मुद्दे पर नीट पेपर्स और परीक्षाओं की प्रणाली पर चर्चा करेंगे, ये आश्वासन दिया। और जो सरकार से इस तरफ से मंत्रीगण आए थे उन्होंने भी ये आश्वासन दिया, जिसका कि 2 दिन से हम बहुत ही कड़ा क्या कहेंगे, एक तरह का बार्गेन चल रहा था कि मुझे आश्वासन चाहिए और लिखित में चाहिए, और इसमें 2 दिन लगे और मुझे इसलिए अनशन पर 2 दिन और बैठना पड़ा, और ज़्यादा भी बैठ जाता तो आखिर में आज उन्होंने लिखकर आश्वासन दिया है।
Statement from the government side, government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and those participating in the march to the parliament on July 20, 2026. The government has already assured threadbare discussions to find solutions to paper leaks and educational reforms for exams in the parliament. Besides, the government is also positively considering suitable compensations for the suicide victims of recent NEET paper leaks. ये हमारे साइड से है।
I'm grateful that the government has shown sensitivity towards the children who have been victims, towards the youths who were peacefully protesting on those dates, and that both the ruling party and MPs from the opposition have assured me that their discussions will happen on the floor of the parliament regarding reforms in the examination system like NEET and others, and that we will also be discussing about the accountability of such lapses, and that we'll all make sure that such things never happen. No child, no parent will have to go through what these 20 children and their parents had to go through. I'm happy that you have assured me that, and I'm sure, as the children have been demanding, at the suitable time, I'm no one to dictate, you will take accountability in the ministry with the minister also as a responsibility, and I'm sure you are already considering. And with these assurances, I'm touched and grateful to the government, and I want to appeal to the protesting students to maintain utmost peace. To express their feelings is a legitimate thing, but I do not approve violence of any kind, and allowing any antisocial elements to take advantage of this is not acceptable to me. It should be a genuine demand by genuinely concerned people, in this case youngsters. So with that being fulfilled, I'm grateful and I'll be happy to break my fast. Thank you. And thank you. I have my leaders from the Apex body of Ladakh, and the KBA were also here, and they have flown all the way from Ladakh, and I'm grateful to them. Thank you. Thank you.
So we are for monitoring.
Vikranji, you have always been by my side and support, and I don't want to thank you, but express my feelings as well.
So, you want to have some milk also?
No, ma'am. Please follow the diet as well.
One minute. There will be visible one by one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. After 26 days, this tastes very good, but hunger doesn't taste bad either.
To some people, huh?
My doctors here have been very, very kind and very dedicated. I want to thank the whole hospital, and also at Safdarjung, they were very good, very dedicated. There were issues, but as a hospital, I don't want to give a message that government hospitals are
No,
any less.
doctors are most unpolitical, I've seen.
Thank you all doctors here and doctors at Safdarjung
Thank you.
Hospital.
Thank you.
both. Thank you.
Space, huh? Suffocating.
자식들의 정말
자식들의
몸머리
Lavas Spao.
라다 열교시 자식들
Spao'들의
उन्होंने लिखकर आश्वासन दिया है। एक तो ये कि जो हमारे विद्यार्थी और युवा जंतर मंतर पर शांतिपूर्ण आंदोलन कर रहे हैं या जो 20 जुलाई को संसद चलो में भाग ले रहे थे, उन पर कोई कानूनी कार्रवाई FIR इत्यादि नहीं करेंगे। ऐसा बहुत होता है ऐसे आंदोलनों में, तो ये हमने आश्वासन लिया है कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया जाएगा। दूसरा ये कि जो पेपर लीक के इस हादसे में मृत हुए बच्चे हैं 20 से भी ज़्यादा, उन सब को उपयुक्त कॉम्पनसेशन दिया जाएगा, मुआवज़ा दिया जाएगा उनके घरों को। और तीसरा ये कि इस मुद्दे पर और शिक्षा और परीक्षाओं में जवाबदेही सरकार में लाने के बारे में संसद में पूरी तरह से वार्ता होगी, बहस होगी कि आगे से ऐसा ना हो और जो हुआ है उस पे पूरी जवाबदेही हो।